Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add calendar, music, system and weather widget alongside the Dockboard and Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that you will see a download now option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Now just drag this application to the application folder. Finally we have installed. Now you can close it. Now just click on this apps icon and search for Doctor. So you can see here the application has been installed. Just click on it, click on open. So now you can see below the various widgets has been already applied, and on the above you can see here the Doctor app icon is showing up. Just click on it. Now you can see here widgets. So I have already applied the calendar, music, system and weather. You can add a feedback also. So just click on the settings to check the various settings options here. So the first option is general. So under the general you can make it run all the time when you turn on your Mac computer, and you can just enable this don't set login, and below there are more options which you can check out by yourself. And next option is the layout. So under the layout you can see below for the respective widgets whether you want to set it to minimum widget size or expanded widget size, or you want to hide, and you can hide it also. And next option is a dock preview. So under the dock preview you can see here various options, and next option is a Windows switcher, and next option is a integrations here, and next option is a widgets catalog. So you can see here, so here you can enable or disable the respective widgets, and you can customize it by clicking on the respective details, and you can customize more. And next option is permissions. So under the permissions you need to grant accessibility permissions, screen recording permissions, and if you want to use the weather widgets, then you need to grant the location also, which I have granted already, and you need to grant the calendar. If you want to access your Apple calendar, and you need to grant this access, and if you want the notifications, then just grant this notification access, and if you want the automation music, then just grant the permission. And the last one is about this applications. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application settings. And if you want to see more details, then just place the mouse cursor above the widgets, so you can see here saying more details. And if you want to place this widgets to the left or right, you can just right mouse click on it, and you can see here swipe sides. So you can swipe the sides, and if you want to swipe the other widgets to the right, then just right mouse click on it and click on the swipe sides, and it will be swiped towards the left and right directions. And if you want to exit it, then just right mouse click on this Doctor app icon on the menu bar and click on this quit Doctor, and it will get exit. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add calendar, music, system and weather widget alongside the Dockboard and Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.